In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add Namecheap domain to Vercel. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly connect your Namecheap domain to Vercel. To do this, you will need to modify your domain's DNS settings to point it towards Vercel servers. So, in order to do this process, instead of doing it on the Vercel website, go over to Namecheap. When you access Namecheap, sign into your account, hover over the account option, and go to your domain list. You will then be able to see a comprehensive list of all the domains that you own through Namecheap itself. At the right side of a specific domain that you would like to connect to Vercel, click Manage. Now, there are going to be a bunch of options, and for you to manage the DNS settings related to this connection, all that you have to do is scroll down until you find the Name Server section, as I've highlighted here. There will be a drop-down menu with various options for your name servers. If this is set to Basic DNS or Web Hosting DNS, you have to choose Custom DNS instead. Once you select Custom DNS from the drop-down menu that appears, you will then be able to obtain and enter the Vercel name servers. So you will need to add 2 name servers provided by Vercel. To find these name servers, log into your Vercel dashboard, navigate to Settings, and under Settings there will be a section titled Domains or Custom Domains, and they will display the current name servers that they have. Typically, the format is going to be something like ns1.vercel.com, but of course you have to double check to make sure that it is set accordingly. And afterwards, just go back to the Namecheap control panel, enter the 2 Vercel name servers, and once you add them both, save the changes and apply. Keep in mind that it might take some hours for this to propagate, and Vercel will automatically detect the update. They will provide further instructions for verification within their dashboard, which usually involves adding a TXT record to your domain's DNS settings. So switch over to the advanced DNS settings and you can finish the process there. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Namecheap domain to Vercel. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.